Hello guys, this is Cherry and welcome to my channel. Today is 13th March. So actually last Sunday I went for a ride with my Fz25 team towards Mahabalipuram, from Chennai to Mahabalipuram. The thing is, I didn't shoot it over there that much. It's because I have vlogged with my mobile, but then I don't have GoPro. As you people know, I have missed my GoPro. I lost my GoPro in the accident. So I didn't vlog that much in my GoPro. So I thought that continuity, when we used to travel now, we used to talk, the continuity won't be there in the vlog. So that's the reason I didn't vlog that much. I was a little bit upset also because many shots was taken amazingly over there. But then also the continuity is very important in vlogs. So just take a look of that vlog also now. So we are gonna start now actually from here, and we'll be going in Kent somewhere else, and we are gonna stop over there because many of them was waiting over there, and we are gonna go there. If once I reach there, I will introduce you everyone. Everyone started. So I'm also gonna start. I don't have GoPro action camera, using it a lot. So let me introduce you everyone. Hey, bro. Yeah, bro. Maat nahi hai. Samir. Ajay. Abhinash. Ah, Dilas 20 साल के. Markman. Sino? Me தெரியும். So we are going to start from here now, and now we are going to Mahabalipuram actually. Mahabalipuram na confirm ah. அதுக்கப்புறம் வேற என்ன பிளான் தெரியல. So we finished having our breakfast and we are gonna Stiram, and we are gonna go to one viewpoint, I think so. I don't know, I'm not sure. Chinna vayasla, romba chinna vayasla. I came here when I was 8 or 9, I think so. After that I didn't came. Everyone was asking why you're not vlogging, but I was like a little bit not feeling good because without GoPro I can't able to vlog anything, I can't able to shoot the way which I came. So I was a little bit worrying about that, and yeah, no worries, we can vlog with the mobile itself, and I'll take some amazing shots. Hey. So we are going to the lighthouse now. Actually, I have bought these sunglasses. How it was looking? Nee, I vlog pannu pochirukeenga. Illa sunglasses yeah. Kaila pata sunglasses maatilla na. Nee potu video nalla da irukku. Just kidding. So we are going towards the lighthouse now. I'll continue once I reach there. And comment below, is this nice or not? So I hope you people like that vlog. Let me on this. Yeah. So I hope you people like that vlog. I didn't vlog that much because the continuity was not there, as I said. After the accident, I have lost mostly everything, my GoPro, my mobile, everything. And financially I went very down. I was like, still I am suffering in that. I was very down financially, and I was really demotivated, and emotionally I got stuck in that because the GoPro, it was my first earning. I bought it in my first earning. I lost that little bit it will get pain, right? Still now I'm feeling about that. But whatever we may lose in life, we have to gain that back by suffering some pains and suffering some struggles, facing some struggles. We have to get them back in the good way. We have to work hard to get them back. I want to say to you people that one. So you people can ask, you have another action camera, right? STK Explorer. Yeah, I do. I have that action camera. The thing is, from last 1 week I'm staying in my friend's room. I didn't went to my home itself because we are having some project works to do. In my home I can't get signal properly. That's the reason I'm staying here to complete my project works, everything. Because studies is very much important for the starting those people starting YouTube channel and leaving the studies. I'm saying them one thing. See, no one is leaving their work and no one is leaving anything because of the YouTube. I hope I am looking, yeah. And I bought this in Mahabalipuram. So no one is leaving anything. Everyone is thinking that YouTube is just a part-time. So that's the reason they are becoming success. If you need to be like planned. You have to maintain both studies and this. It will be a little bit hard for some time, but then that makes some sense. Because of for YouTube and all, leaving studies and all, I'm not gonna do that. So I wanna really stick to my studies a lot. So that's the reason I didn't took my STK Explorer from my home. It wasn't in my hands and the ride was suddenly planned. As I said, my rides will be planned. My hand is paining because I don't have tripod also. I'm just holding my hand. I thought to do like many things. It was there in my mind. I want to make like this video. I want to make video like this, that. But then, how to say? When you feel depressed, when you feeling that depression in your mind, you can't make anything perfect. You need to come out of that. So I thought that you need to take a break. I thought that, but then also YouTube became like an addiction for me. I wanna make videos. I wanna do justice for my viewers. I should not stop this. I don't want to stop this. That I was running in my mind. And once I thought also that I should quit the YouTube stupidly because of the depression. And many of them said that please don't quit. You are doing great and your 1 year effort will be wasted if you quit at the YouTube now. Like that many of them said. So I thought that I should not give up on my dreams. It's my dream making videos and traveling. It's my dream and sharing my experience. It was my dream really. And I should not leave that for anything. I thought like that. And then I started making everything good. I want to settle everything. Like by financial also, and no one is financial supporting me now at this time because my parents also, they can do for a while only. We can't expect from them also. I'm sharing all those things because those who are younger than me, they think that our parents should do everything for us. Our parents should buy everything. We should not be dependent on your parents really. You should not be dependent on anyone. You should stand in your own yourself. So I thought it's not a good idea. I hope you people can hear. I thought it is not a good thing to do in my life. Oh my god. And today also I was not in the mood that I should make a video like that and all. But then today was symposium in my college. I went there and I came back from there now. And I'm making this video, I'm just shooting this video. And I thought I want to express whatever is there in my mind. Really the GoPro is a main thing for me because it's my first effort which I have took in my life. And it changed a lot. The GoPro came in my life and then my life started changing. My passions, my attitude, my habits, everything started changing because of the GoPro, because of the YouTube. Everything started changing and I started realizing myself what is my capacity, all those things I started realizing, and I started putting my effort in that. And suddenly if I lost the GoPro, I went into depression really, fully I went into depression. I was like, I don't want to do anything, I want to just stay, I want to just take a break, like that. I became like that. But then no, we have to do something. We should not stay back, we should not hold back for anything. Like that I thought. And then I'm shooting this video. So I hope you people like this video. And thank you so much for watching guys. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and share with your friends and keep supporting and show me your love, because all the things we are doing is for love. So as much as you people can love us, as much as we can do, we will do. So thank you so much for that. And soon many videos, upcoming videos is gonna be like Khatarnak videos. I'm not gonna give up. Upcoming videos will be Khatarnak videos. I will give a guarantee really. So if you didn't subscribe to the channel, subscribe and make sure hit the notification button. As usual, just eat, sleep and ride. Repeat that again, guys. See you people in the next video. Till that, signing off, your Cherry. Bye bye. Thank you so much for watching.